Beautiful.
Last time I seen beavers. Wait, is that a beaver? Uncle, is that a beaver?
Where? Look at my knees.
Uncle,
Hold on, slow down a bit.
right there.
I think so. No, it looks like a regular log. Waterfalls, baby. This is beautiful. We're going on a trip. Look at this. Look at this view, man. Look at this view. It's holy smokes. Whoa. Ho, 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 ho. Holy. Oh, look at this, you guys. This is insane. Insane. Beautiful. Nature, man. I love nature. And I'm just reminded that besides social media, going out and living in the moment is the best feeling ever. Boy, I tell you, I'm having the time of my life right now. And nature, it's what I love to do. We in nature. 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 Scoobity-bop, boop, boop, boop. Scoobity-bop, boop, boop. I feel like singing, I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa.
Come on, guys.
All these names is insane.
Everybody trying to find a date that's close to their birthday.
Look, Biden. Forget Biden.
Jesus matters.
Everybody try to find a date that's close to their birthday.
Sophia.
March 17th.
That's close to your birthday. Yeah, nobody born in December was right on the wall, so I ain't gonna be able to find mine.
Nobody born in December being here. We were born in December.
Ryan in Dallas.
Come on, Pop.
Wow.
Yeah, they communicate with her.
Wow. This is beautiful. Extremely beautiful. Wow. Nature is beautiful.
It's gorgeous. Don't this look like the movies they be jumping into and stuff?
Yeah.
Stars were made to worship.
Yeah, Sirski. I'm on the edge of the cliff. Literally on the edge. Yes, sir, ski. Woo! Nature is beautiful. Nature is beautiful, you guys. I love it. This is where